Many Australian product-savvy consumers are keen on cosmetics that are not tested on animals.
I use a couple of big brands and one has actually just started testing on animals, so it's going the other way around. So I haven't been using it anymore.
I have brands that I'm very loyal to, and I know that they don't test on animals.
But Choice says claims of being cruelty-free are not always as they seem. It says companies that export to China can't make such claims because all products exported there must be tested on animals to gain market access.
The big brands that a lot of women are using and a lot of women think are actually cruelty-free or not tested on animals, when in fact that's not strictly accurate.
Choice is pointing the finger at major brands including L'Oreal, L'Occitane and Bobbi Brown. Its report, due out tomorrow, highlights this statement on the website of L'Occitane.
We respect the right of each country to set their own laws and regulations.
And this from Bobbi Brown.
We do not conduct animal testing except when required by law.
The ABC contacted 5 of the companies. L'Oreal says,
our commitment to advancing the cause of alternative methods to testing remains unchanged.
China's cosmetics market has fast become one of the biggest in the world, and that means companies are faced with the decision of whether to capitalise on that boom or stay strictly animal cruelty-free.
Until China changed its stance on animal testing, we are prepared to not enter that market.
People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals says China is developing a non-animal test for cosmetics, but companies should avoid the market until the new test is being used. A spokesman for the Australian cosmetics industry body Accord says the Chinese market is a complex issue and requirements for product approval can be confusing. Choice is lodging a complaint with the ACCC, claiming the brands are misleading consumers.
Under Australian consumer law, manufacturers and companies have a responsibility and have a legal responsibility, in fact, to give consumers the right information when they seek it out. So we don't think that it's fair to say that it's a consumer's responsibility to find out whether a company is actually giving them misleading and deceptive information.
The ACCC says it will assess the information supplied by Choice. Amy Bainbridge, ABC News.